DataPal is the personal data cloud effectively for yourself. At the moment, how the world works is my data lives at the phone company, the gas company, the airline, the government, everywhere else other than on my side. DataPal gives me a place on my side to gather that and manage that. And I can then use that to enable other people to access on my terms effectively. An individual at the moment has data scattered everywhere over the web with each organisation that they deal with, which can easily be 200, 300 organisations. And the individual has to go separately to each place to update their details, or frankly they don't bother in many cases, which is why data quality goes down the pan as quickly as it does do. Yeah, DataPal is as you can imagine, quite a complicated business. There's lots of data flowing backwards and forwards between different parties, lots of security, lots of clouds, lots of technical stuff going on. So that essentially means I need lots of documentation, lots of process maps, lots of reference models, lots of releases, lots of user requirements, lots of technical user stories, etc. So I use Elements, and I'm a big fan of Elements because it draws all of those things together. And I can also, the other thing I really enjoy about Elements is the connectivity with Salesforce. Because we are essentially operating on both person side and organisation side, Salesforce is our much favoured CRM system because we understand it extremely well. So we know how to flow data backwards and forwards between organisation and person. So we have the Salesforce reference model within Elements, and we have our own human-centric data model. So Elements just draws everything together for us. The things that I do genuinely like all things about Elements because it's the whole is greater than the sum of the parts. Because it comes back to that. Effectively, I have used it to document big Salesforce orgs, and it's fabulous in its day job mode. For documenting Salesforce and improving Salesforce implementations. In my particular case, I'm now using it to design and build a business.